Alright guys, we're back. We have another video for you guys today, and first I'd like to start off and say we hit 500 subscribers. That's huge for us. We're, a still very small channel building, and hitting 500 subscribers is really like a cool moment for us. So, really appreciate it, guys. Thank you for all the love on the 350Z video. Thank you for all the hate on the Nankang video. It keeps us all entertained over here. We're all pretty excited about the way things are going. Well, this is the video I never wanted to make, for a couple reasons. I got rid of my Jeep. If you knew the Jeep, if you saw any of those videos. Wait a second, there's Matt. Here I am. Who's driving?
He made a mark on your driveway.
Yeah, that thing was a blast. We just messed around in that thing. That thing was great. I traded it for something that I thought was going to be really cool for not only for me but for the channel. And I knew it needed a little bit of work, but it needed a lot more than I thought. Originally it was only saying it needed a camshaft seal, which is just a small oil seal. I thought it would take me maybe 2 days to do. I wanted to wait to reveal the car until I had that done, just so I could actually show you guys like a running, driving car instead of a car in pieces. I thought it was gonna take 2 days, like I said. I'm almost to the 3-week mark. Actually, tomorrow is the 3-week mark of working on this thing, and I ran into some difficulties. It's been difficult for me to want to make videos when I've just been hitting roadblock after roadblock. I'm trying to come back. I just wanted to take a little break and get this car done so I could have something to show you guys. But it doesn't always work out that way. As far as Robert's car, we've been doing body work and stuff on his car. We have big stuff coming for that, hopefully this week. It's just been a thing after thing kind of giving us setbacks. So let me explain what was wrong with my motor now. So, this is one of my camshafts, and as you can see, all these journals along the way are supposed to be glass smooth and everything. So I finished one side's cam seals, which was a lot more work than I expected, because you have to take off all the timing stuff. It kind of sucked, it wasn't fun. And then I came to this side, and I got this first cam seal off. That is supposed to look identical to that one. Yeah. This is the actual cylinder head too, and as you can see, that's supposed to be smooth as glass down there as well, like all the other journals are. So I basically had no option, and I had to replace the whole cylinder head off the car. So that's kind of where all my time has been going. That being said, it was a bit more work than I expected, and it's hard for me to want to get this done quickly and at the same time try to film everything I'm doing. I work on cars for a living, so it's kind of an irritant to be like, okay guys, I'm gonna break this bolt loose now, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so there's the bolt. I couldn't put myself to do that. I wouldn't want to watch that. I don't think you guys would want to watch that. I just want to be able to show you guys like actual interesting stuff that I'm doing to the car. Yeah, big stuff coming. Robert's very excited. We got some bangers on the way, that's for sure. Another thing I wanted to touch on before I talk too much more about my new car. I personally, not as many of the other guys in Lowso, I'm kind of getting done with our local car scene. There's been a lot of stuff kind of off-putting me towards it, and it's hard to want to go to these events anymore. We're dealing with some really middle school drama, is the long short of it, and it's really unenjoyable for me to go. So I might cut back and go into the local events. That being said, let me show you guys where the car is currently and how far I am with it. So, yeah, obviously now you can tell I've been doing this and mainly nothing else, because the new head is on, the timing stuff is all on. it's just been very time consuming, man. And it's hard for me to, like I said, want to be like, okay guys, Kellen's garage here. Today we're installing my intake manifold. Because I just want this thing done. Like, as much as it's cool to show it off to you guys and show off the building process, I really am kind of on a time constraint for this because I just want it done. I don't want to come home and work on cars. We've been doing that for literally like a month in a row, me and Robert. Just like work 8 to 4 working on cars and then come home and just right back on my bullshit working on cars. It's really exhausting. Mentally, physically, it pains me. That being said, as you can see, it is almost done. There is a couple things that I need to do to it still, in my opinion, to get it to where I want it. I want to clean all these rails here. I want to clean these pieces still. As you can see, everything was bench grinded, painted. All the bolts look brand new on it. Like all those bolts on the valve covers and stuff look brand new. I've been trying to go the extra mile with this. I replaced a lot of parts that are difficult to reach. I replaced the starter, I replaced the EGR tube, I replaced the water pump, the timing belt, the pulleys, tensioner, the camshafts, just because I was putting refurbished head on it. The distributor rotors and caps are replaced, spark plugs. I've just been trying to do this build correctly so I don't run into any more issues with it. That being said, it is taking time, and it kind of sucks that it's taking so much time, but now I hope you guys have a little bit more insight as to what we've been doing, and I haven't just been lazy as can be, sitting around doing nothing. We do have a lot coming for the channel. We do have a lot of exciting, groundbreaking things. I don't want to talk about this car too much. I haven't really revealed to you guys what it is. If you know cars and you know that motor, you probably know what it is. Sorry, Jacob, I gotta diffuse for a moment. Also, I switched now. I Joule now. It is, dude. It is what it is. I love Joule. It's pretty nice. Long story short, I hope to be done in the next 2 or 3 days here, and then we can kind of get back on some more exciting videos. We do have some banger videos coming up. We have some good videos planned. As for the car I got though, that's a video for a different day. It is really cool. As you might have guessed, it is a Lexus. And I'm not going to tell you what suspension's on it. I'm not going to tell you what wheels are on it. That you're all going to have to wait to see. So if you want to see that, drop a like down below. If we hit, you know what? If we hit 100 likes, I'll drop a video the same day we hit 100 likes about what suspension and wheels I have, just for excitement. I also want to talk about my future plans with this thing because it's going to be pretty tight. So, alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!